It was really something that was used for religious purposes and ceremonies to the point where they wrote about it in their text to protect the olive trees. The positioning of that olive tree to the sun, how much water those roots get, all of these factors contribute to the final yield. As there are hundreds of varieties of olives available to make olive oil, it's the know-how of the producer to know, if they're blending different olive varieties as well, it's their magical formula to yield the most amazing taste. The grade of olive oil, which is the best, to be qualified as extra virgin, it has to be less than 0.8% acidity.